Hi everyone, I'm Saraf, and today we'll be doing a very simple recipe that is super quick and easy to prepare. Let's create the filling by adding some red onion, green chili pepper, some salt to taste, and then mix it all together. Add some cilantro, and 2 eggs. The measurements depend on how many servings you're making, so adjust to your liking. Usually for this recipe, people hand make the parata, but because this is a simplified recipe, you can just use frozen parata to save time and make it easier. Make sure to take the frozen parata out the freezer a couple minutes before you prepare it so that it's easier to mold and fold, because if the parata was still frozen, it would be hard and crack. Add in the egg filling, and if you'd like, you can add some cooked keema or any type of cooked meat of your choice. Fold and secure the filling in nicely so that it doesn't spill out while you're frying it. Cook on medium to low heat until the inside is cooked and the outside is golden brown. Once it looks like this, it's ready to take off the heat and be served. You can serve it with any sauce of your choice or some salad. Hopefully you enjoyed this recipe. It was a really simple and easy recipe and anyone can make it. And if you liked the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.